What's going on, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks!
On today's episode, we're making McDonald's onion nuggets.
Onion nuggets.
Sure.
Let's get cooking!
Will, tell me about these onion nuggets.
I'll tell you about these onion nuggets. So in 1975, McDonald's was like, yo, check us. We're coming out with this onion nugget. It's gonna change your life. We'll see.
It existed as part of their dinner menu, which was an actual thing from 4 to 9 p.m.
Dude, can you imagine that? Get in the car, baby.
It's 4 o'clock. We gotta go get dinner at McDonald's.
We gotta hit the McDonald's before the onion nuggets run out. So the onion nugget came out in 1975. It was discontinued only 4 years later.
Oh, sad story.
I mean, but the crazy thing is 2 years later, look out. McNugget rolls into town.
Wow, yeah.
Crushes.
Big game changer right there.
Who would have thought people would like chicken more than onion?
I mean, onion rings are pretty popular.
Pretty fire.
Yeah.
But you know the weird thing when you do eat an onion ring sometimes is when you take the bite and you pull, you get that whole piece of noodle come out with it.
Noodle?
Yeah, the oniony noodle.
Oh, sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I could see bite-sized onion rings, aka onion nuggets, being easier to eat.
Well, we're gonna find out today. Also, crazy thing, there's no recipe for this on the internet.
Yeah, odd.
So we're having to create this kind of from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
And this hasn't existed in 40 years? No. Yeah, 41 years, right?
Math.
79, 2020, 41 years. So, you know, we're having to create this from scratch. So we've never had an onion nugget. These existed before us, but we're gonna make some delicious onion nuggets, that's for sure. So you know what the first key ingredient to all onion nuggets is?
Onions.
You guessed it. All right, let's go ahead and get these chopped up. Okay, get excited. This recipe is gonna call for 2.5 diced onions. So we're gonna dice 2 of them, and we're gonna dice a half of one. 2.5. Also, one thing that we're gonna be using to dice our onions is gonna be this bad boy. Oh. So this is one of those items that I think everyone owns but doesn't know it.
Sure.
So I was at Alex's house, I don't know, like 3 months ago, and he whipped one of these bad boys out and was just chopping some onions, and I was like, man, that would be so cool to have.
And turns out you had one.
I have had one.
For years.
And I didn't know it. And since I found it, I've used it maybe once a week.
It's a great tool.
It's been my go-to item for dicing onions.
What's it smell like?
Onions.
There you go.
That's all I've used it for.
It's the perfect tool for dicing onions.
Look, I am your onion.
Oh God, we're gonna have to wash that now.
Comes right off. Why don't you go ahead and just chop these down into maybe like, I don't know, 2 big, 3 big, 4 big pieces each?
Sure.
All right, Alex has those onions all rough chopped. Now we're gonna load them into our slap chop, and we're gonna finely chop them.
Sounds good.
You gonna load it up?
Yeah, but I like to do it this way.
Oh, you're going rogue.
Yeah, so I basically just cover them up. There you go.
I think that's about the perfect size. Look at that, they got some big pieces, got some little pieces, got some like these pieces.
Yeah, so then we just make small piles. We'll move around.
All right, that's the last onion. Now that we're fully crying, we're gonna go ahead and get all these onions into this green bowl.
That's a lot of onion.
Now it's time to assemble the batter that we're gonna be putting this onion into.
Yeah.
And this is where we're going rogue. We don't know what the recipe was that McDonald's was using.
We're just doing what feels right.
And I think this feels right. All right, so the first ingredient to all batters, all-purpose flour. What we have there is 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You're still...
Yeah, my eyes are struggling right now.
Once we have that 3/4 cups of flour down there, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of flour.
That was sugar, not flour.
Oh yeah, sorry. 3/4 cups. No, 1 tablespoon of flour.
What? Sugar, not flour.
3/4 cups of flour with a tablespoon of sugar.
There you go.
Because you know you want sweet nuggets.
Yeah, for sure.
You don't want a not sweet nugget. Because I mean, if I'm going out to McDonald's for dinner, I better have me some sweet nuggets.
Sweet onion.
Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons baking powder.
Nice.
You know what's next?
Cornmeal?
1 tablespoon of cornmeal. So what we're doing is we're putting all the dries together. Now it's time to season it up. You know what we got here?
Salt, pepper, seasoned salt.
That's it. We got 3/4 of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. We got 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we just do pepper to taste. Because you know when you get a McNugget, you do see those pepper flakes. So we just wanted to put enough so we get a little bit of the pepper flake in the nugget.
There you go.
So that is all of our dry. We gotta mix it. Let me hold on.
Get a whisk.
I got a whisk.
All right.
Stir it around. All right, we got the dries in. You know what time it is?
Time for the wet.
And there's only one wet ingredient.
What is that?
3/4 cup of milk.
Soy milk?
We're using soy milk because that's what I've got. I don't have real milk. So we're going to use soy milk. You can use real milk. It doesn't matter what kind of milk you want to use. You just got to use 3/4 cup of milk.
Yep.
What? And then we want to stir this up. Okay.
Make a batter.
Make a little batter.
You're really working that.
I've been working out.
Oh.
What's next?
The onions?
2.5 cups of diced onion.
All right, get it in. Oh, God. That was an aggressive pour. Now we just stir to combine.
Yeah, you just got to combine it. Wow, dude.
Look at that. It's like onion soup. All right. Onions incorporated.
Let's take a look. Let me look. Just look. Dude, look at that. That is the base to an onion nugget.
Let's hope so.
So you're probably wondering what we're going to do next, right?
I am wondering what we're going to do next.
So now we're going to put some vegetable or canola oil, probably about 1.5 to 2 inches, in our flat, heavy bottom pot. Because then we're going to start frying this. So we want to go ahead and heat that oil up to about 325 to 350. All right, so what we have here is we got our oil all heated up. Now we're just going to spoon a little bit, probably about a tablespoon of our onion nugget mixture into the hot oil. We're going to see how it responds just a little bit at a time, just to feel it out for the first two. Because, you know, the first time you make something, you never know how it's going to turn out. So let's experience this together. Ooh. Whoa, dude. Look at that. Look out, McDonald's. We're bringing the onion nugget back. Just wait till you get about 3 emails from our followers. Dude, these look good. I think these are ready to come out. That's a big onion nugget. This is about the size we want. So you can see it took us the 3rd one to get the nugget size.
Should we break it apart, see what it looks like on the inside?
I think it's a little hot right now. Should we wait? Let's wait.
Let's let it cool.
I don't want to try it until it's go time, you know what I mean? Because if it's hot garbage, I don't want to know until the end.
You want to wait until we're eating it?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so one key is to get them and place them in very slowly. Just let them fall off the spoon. Just like that. Delicate. Very delicate. All right, those onion nuggets are about ready. I've been keeping them in a 250-degree oven just to keep them warm because I'm cooking them in batches. But I mean, some of these are really starting to look like McNuggets.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of wish we could try them with fries, though.
Ooh. Yeah.
Do you want to go get some?
Yes.
All right, so Alex is gonna go get some fries. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking these up, and we'll see you when they're done, ready to taste.
I'll be back.
You know what time it is?
Time to eat it?
Let's try them! I'm so excited. All right, well, I mean, look at this. I mean, look at that pile of perfection. McDonald's, we came, we saw, we conquered. I mean, we don't know if we conquered, we haven't tried them yet.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're gonna try the discontinued McDonald's onion nuggets.
Cheers.
Cheers. I feel like I gotta dip them in ketchup.
Yeah, let's get some ketchup.
I hit you with my nugget. Cheers.
All right, down the hatch. Dude,
What was that?
McDonald's.
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? Bring these back.
This tastes like an amazing onion ring. It's so crunchy. The crisp.
Dude,
What?
McDonald's is sleeping on a gold mine.
Oh my gosh, wait a minute.
Let's
I
get
know.
some fries.
Yeah, you gotta put some fries right behind it, because that's how you eat everything at McDonald's. Just. I would get those. With the side. You wanna know why these failed?
Why?
Because this was a side item.
Oh yeah, this should be a main dish.
This should be a main with a big old side of French fries. You're literally just eating fried onions and fried potato. Hey, reducitarian.
Yeah, at least there's no meat, right?
Like, this could have been the most iconic vegetarian meal of all times.
Dude.
I would even eat this on a bun.
Oh yeah, this would be good on top of a burger.
Like, I would eat this bunned up, special sauce, pickles.
What if you just replaced one of the burger patties on a Big Mac with a onion nugget patty?
Like a giant onion
Yeah.
nugget. Dude, the ideas are limitless
rolling.
here. The world wasn't ready.
Yeah, these came out a few decades too early.
You know, it took a little bit to master cooking them. The whole first batch looked crazy. They look like chicken filet nuggets. Should we try McDonald's ketchup?
You know they have their special blend.
I know, let's try it out. You know what I'm gonna do?
Tell me.
I'm gonna create.
Look at that.
Oh man, that looks great.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I'm making the SS McOnion.
All right. McDonald's ketchup is different.
Dude, I'm a changed man. I don't even know what I'm changed from. You can only have these if you make them. If we could change some things, we'll probably press dry the onion before we put it into the mix.
Yeah, there's a lot of juice in the onion that you should probably get out.
But when you put this oniony nugget into your hot oil, just lay it in and let it fall off the spoon.
No, go slow.
Don't whack it off. Just let it fall off. Dude, I'm telling you. Take some fries. Do this with me. Take some McDonald's ketchup.
Oh, okay.
You don't have hands, yeah. Spit it. Load it up.
Okay.
This is the SS
Onion nug.
McOnion Nugget Destroyer.
Okay.
So good.
The combo.
I'm so happy you went to McDonald's. Going to McDonald's and drinking it with their drinks and their ketchup and their fries, we're getting the full experience.
It's like we were back in the 70s. Yo, for real, if anyone from McDonald's is watching this, bring these back.
I mean, people are looking, they're looking to reduce their meat intake, you know? Beyond Meat, Impossible Meat, onions. Get your onion on.
Yeah.
All right, Alex. Well, would you say
Yes. Before you even ask, yes.
Would you say we took a discontinued icon and brought it back to, I don't know if it's an icon, most people don't even know about it.
Yeah.
But would you say we took something discontinued and somehow figured out a way to make it?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
Would make again.
This is amazing. So go ahead, don't forget, we put the full recipes down in the description. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Let us know if you're gonna cook up these discontinued, OK Cooks, McDonald's onion nuggets.
Wow. Yeah. Like and subscribe too.
All right, well with that, let's get cooking.
Yeah,
So the onion nugget, the nubbit,
I love nubbits.
nubbit. Okay, so this, all right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Let's talk about onions. Should we talk about how to chop an onion?
Go for it.
I don't know.
I don't know either, so that's what I'm like.
All right, here we
Go
go.
for it.
Let's chop this onion.
Look out, McDonald's. We're bringing the onion nugget back. Just wait till you get about 3 emails from our followers. Saying, we saw the onion nuggets on OK Cookins, and we want you to bring it back. I want you to bring it back. And the people that would have emailed them would be my mom, Alex's mom, and me.